Welcome back to Stitch of Buyers, and this is video 4. And we're going to go ahead and create our knee pull vectors for the knees so they point straight ahead. So we're going to go ahead and create another NURBS sphere, and go ahead and rotate this guy to 90 degrees. And let's go ahead and move him holding the V key down to the knee. Okay. And let's go ahead and scale that down. And we can make that look a little more interesting by selecting these guys here and just scaling these in. Something like that. Alright. Okay. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and duplicate this. Do a Control D and then a W to move it over. So I'm going to snap it, hold the V key down and snap it to that other knee. So we're going to do, this will be left knee control, CTRL, and this will be the right knee control. Okay, we'll go ahead and select both of those and move them forward. And we want to move them quite a ways ahead, because if we were to move this leg up from the side view into an extreme pose, we don't want it to go past this, and it's going to go past that. So I'm going to go Control Z back down, select these guys and move them forward a little bit. Okay, that should do it. And so with those two selected, then we will go ahead and do Edit, Delete by Type History, and modify freeze transformations on those. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and add a pull vector constraint. So we're going to go ahead and select the knee control and shift select the IK handle cross. So if you look at the IK handle, you can see at the very top is in fact the pull vector. So we got to connect these two. When we do that, it'll create an imaginary line from here to there, and that way we can control the knee. So let's go in here and select the knee, and shift select the IK handle, and we're going to go into constrain and then pull vector. Go into the pull vector. There's not much to see here, and click add, and you can see that we have a connection between the pull vector of the IK system and the knee controller. So let's go to the next one. Select the knee controller, shift select the IK handle, and go back into constrain and pull vector. There we go. So let's test these two guys out. So if I click on the foot controller and I move it up, and if I click on the knee control, I can control that knee, and it's going to follow the direction of this controller. There we go. So let's go back. Okay, so everything's working. This one was a pretty easy one. So the next thing we're going to do is we are going to create some controllers, hip and spine controllers, and we're going to go ahead and create those right now, and we're going to go all the way up to the head. Alright, so let's go ahead And we'll do that in the next video.